So I got this sticky citrus wheel cleaner from the chemical guys, and I was a little apprehensive about purchasing it because it was quite expensive and I didn't know if it was just a name brand or if this stuff was really good. So in this video I'm gonna test it out. I just got new tires on my car, so the wheels are really dirty. So the directions say to rinse it with water to get surface dirt off, and then use a brush to brush it. I am going to use these drill brushes, and then we're gonna see how it works. So now I'm gonna rinse it with some water, and then I am gonna spray the stuff and then rinse, and then brush it and rinse it off. Now we're gonna spray on the stuff. I'm curious to see what it looks like when you spray it. Open it. There we go. So it went on really good. It does look sticky, and you can actually see that it's grabbing the dirt and kind of separating it from the wheel. Let's do the other one. Now it looks really good. You can actually see it grabbing the dirt. So I'm gonna use my brush. If you don't have a drill brush, you could use like a regular brush. So I'm gonna use this attachment for the flat parts. So they look really good. I'm just gonna dry it off with this microfiber towel that I have. So there we go. That is the end result. There's no dirt left on it. Nice and shiny. Looks really good on all sides. Would definitely recommend this product.